Hey guys, I'm just giving you an update on what we're doing here in the garden. We're going to start in the front yard. We are actually working on putting in a sprinkler system. We have one that worked about 10 years ago or so, and it broke, and now we're just getting it fixed, and we're so excited. So you can see here I got my helper. So we've got a big knockout with an azalea, and then you can see where the sprinklers are getting fixed with some more azaleas. And then up here in the front, I've just planted up this beautiful white vanilla sky hydrangea. It's actually a zone 5, so it won't live here very long, but while it's alive, it'll be beautiful to look at. And then we have some of this purple buggleweed and creeping Jenny. And they are just anchoring the bench here, the two of them. And I'm looking forward to getting something else put in the front of those, just to give it a little more pop of color and beauty. Then we have the side yard here. So these are really fun irises, purple irises. They do really well here in Dallas. You know, they're really hardy. You can basically mow them back if you wanted to, and then they would flush back up by the next spring. So they're really sturdy and strong. We have some jasmine vine growing on the ground there. I'm gonna pull all that. I've already started. You can see there in that spot where it's been pulled up, and then a better view of the beautiful purple irises coming in. And I do need to thin that out, and I will repurpose the ones that I pull somewhere else in the garden, probably somewhere in the front, because that's where I have room to plant more things. So let's see. I did plant some purple lantana back here. And this will get really huge. They are drought tolerant and have low water needs. So that's what we want here. And then you can just see all of the work being done in the sprinklers. So whenever that's done in the next few days, I can begin planting a few more things. So I'll see y'all soon. Bye.